I'm gonna go over this 16-inch chainsaw from the company Ecarke. Now this one has the brushless motor. It's a 16-inch guide bar. It's high-powered safety guard with anti-kickback. That's what that thing is right here. Now just to know, there is a little bit of assembly to this. I've already taken it out and put it together here. You get a little small screwdriver, and I'll show you what that's used for. Everything that you need to know is in this owner's manual right here. I didn't have any issues putting it together. So looking over the specs right here, it uses a 20-volt DeWalt battery. You do not get a battery or charger with this, so just to keep that in mind. The chain size is the 59 tooth, which is a 3/8. The brake is a 0.15. We don't need the box anymore. So let me show you everything you get right here. So here's the two batteries I tested on it. By the way, it does work with one of the flex volts, the 20 and 60 volts. I highly recommend one of these batteries right here, but it also works with the XR 4 amp, and I used it on that one right there. You're gonna have to get some chain bar and chain oil. I just use this Hyper Tough right here. It goes in right here, and you can see how much I still have left in there. This is an automatic oiler, which is pretty cool on that. There, take off the sky. It looks like they use it for the 12, 14, and 16. There's the length of the blade. I was impressed with the power of this little guy, everybody. I didn't think much of it until I used it, and I was like, wow, that actually works very well. You're gonna have to put a screw in here, screw in there, and then screw that in, and then put the chain on. Pretty simple. It's toolless to adjust the chain. Unlock it. Say the chain gets loose, you unlock it like that. You can tighten it and lower it. What it does, it moves this bar forward. I go all the way and then lock it into place. Put the flex volt in there first. Watch this. You guys see that? And you can see where the oiler is automatically oiling it. So what it does, it pushes oil down the chain and it comes out right there and it oils the chain. Pretty genius little idea. Now let me show you the 4 amp. But personally, I would recommend a 6 amp in this thing. You can run it on the side like that. You can run it like that. So what I like about this thing, this is actual battery indicator. This battery's running low because I've been using it a lot. Check it out. It actually works. So that way I can kind of see that my batteries are fully charged right there. I think it's a great option for anyone that just needs a quick, kind of light duty backyard saw that can kind of do it all. Always partnered up with some good old DeWalt batteries, and this thing will have enough power to go through about anything. I was going through logs that was easily 14 inches in circumference on those things, and it cut right through it with no problem. I don't see any issues with this Ecarke saw. I've had many products from these guys, and I highly recommend them. There it is. That's all I got on the Ecarke 16-inch cordless chainsaw. See y'all in the next video.